Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Paycom Pay Stub portal, view salary details step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Paycom login page. In the address bar, type in www.paycomonline.com and press enter. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your username. Type in your username accurately in the provided field. Next, move on to the password field. Enter your password carefully, ensuring all characters are correct. After you've filled in both fields, locate the login button. Click on the login button to access your account. Once logged in, find the Pay Stubs section on the dashboard. Click on Pay Stubs to view your salary details. A list of your pay stubs will appear on the screen. Select the specific pay stub you want to view by clicking on it. Your salary details will be displayed, including gross earnings and deductions. Take note of any important information you may need. If your company has multiple pay periods, navigate through the available options as needed. Once you've reviewed your details, remember to log out for security. To log out, look for the Log Out option, typically found in the top right corner. Click Log Out to securely exit the portal. You have now successfully logged into the Paycom Pay Stub portal and viewed your salary details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.